set up. Hey, yo. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to delete a Facebook group. Cause there's not actually a button for it. So I started a Facebook group a while ago, Parenting Solutions for Addicts. It was kind of an addition to a group I had already going, but it's pretty much inactive at this point. So, in order to delete this group, I have to remove each member one by one, which I've already done so to keep this video short as possible. But right here, I need to leave myself as an admin until I delete myself as a member. Leave group. Leave and delete this group. Blam. Zero members. Let's see what else we got. Yep, it's gone. Reload page. And I believe it does not exist no more. So that's pretty much it. Go to newsfeed. And the group. Let's see if we can find it. Parenting Solutions. See more. We're gonna try it again. I got a couple more groups I gotta go. The Safe Lane's gonna go. Probably the Chain Breaker Reactions. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, Parenting Solutions is gone. I no longer have that group, and the only way to do it is delete each member one by one, leaving yourself as the admin. You know, go through all the members until you're the last person in the group, then hit leave group, and it'll give you the option to leave group and delete, and then it's gone. Voila. I'm not sure why they have made it this hard. Maybe no one's really thought about it. I'm sure it'll get better in the future. But until then, hit the subscribe button if this content was helpful, and have a blessed day.